channel. From today, I want to start our new learning series together with you. So it's about the Octave. I will put that here. So this series of video will call this learning Octave through practicing. So today is the first one, and I want to describe the background, the objective from this, and the structure of the this learning, and how you can follow my series of the these materials. And first, in the this page, this image cover page, you can see the GitHub repository, the address. So I create a new repository called Learn Octave. Actually, the Octave I put our starting README here is one open source scientific programming language. It's through their interactive programming interface. It's primarily for numerical computation. So I have shared several different the architecture modeling tool, the programming tool, and also through this Power BI, also multiple the data analytical tool. You can do the visualization, you can do the analytical, but behind the scene, I want to use this Octave to discuss more the purely the numerical computing. So this repository will capture my learning, and I also put such kind of video and the following videos in my YouTube channel, which you can follow and learn from any the step of this this tool. The first here is if you go to the website of octave.org, you can see their home page. What I will capture is I will use one the mind map. So here, I'm using the free plan tool. If you learn some of my other videos, you may familiar with this tool. So I will use this to track the progress and also document some key links and the key notes with this structure, the manner. And then this is the home page, and my primary the base of this learning is on this the user guide, which you can download from doc.octave.org, and it's a huge document, more than 1,000 page, but I hope we don't need to use 1,000 videos to finish that. But I want to practice by myself every single step and every tiny aspect, and also adding some more reference altogether during this learning. I hope after the whole series, we may have a thorough understanding of Octave. Many people talk about Octave is our MATLAB alternative in open source. Somewhat is true because through the Octave you can do the visualization, you can do the analysis, the static or the dynamic. But I should say is, as mentioned in the Octave's homepage, is our language for scientific programming and the numerical computation. So it is not only in the mirror or apple-to-apple mapping to MATLAB, but it's kind of are largely compatible with MATLAB. So if you have experience on MATLAB, that will be great that you can find many similarity here that we can implement through this open source tool. But I should say the Octave also have certain features beyond MATLAB, which we can try during this the learning. Within this the video, I want to show you how to download and how to install the Octave in your open operating system. If you come to here, you click download. Then you go to the download page. You can download from the source and make that compile and build yourself, or you can download a different binary package for multiple different operating system. My system is Windows 11, so I will download this Windows part. There's also the installation package, or you can download the such kind of the green package, just extract and you can use. You can also choose 64 or 32 bit based on your Windows. If you are Windows 7, it's better you use 32 bit. And to me, I already download this Windows 64 installer. So let's just have a quick the installation together during this call. So here is the download package. So Octave 830. So if you run that, you will get the first is like this. So welcome to this setup, and then just click next. And here is the license agreements. Let's go to next. Install for anyone or install just for me. So I, because I'm the administrator for my machine, so I also want this. If anyone log in, they have this tool. So install to anyone. Create a desktop, register.m. So this is the extension for Octave file. So let's keep that. This tool, you don't need to change that for now. So just use Open Plus and the System OpenGL. So let's just next. And here is the location. So by default, they create a GNU Octave, and here is your version number. So my version is 830. So depending on what's your the download, so latest one up to this end of October 2023 is 830. So install. So let's wait for that. Just wait about a minute. So it should be finished and running some post installation script. And you can download this book. I also put that into the mind map. So it's just the docs and octave.pdf. So I can also introduce a trick. So if you just come to docs, so don't have this PDF, then you can have this whole link. So our octave.pdf actually is this 830. So these are the same file. But if you want to refer to some historical these versions user guide, you can come to here, and also here you can get the quick reference the file and also the reference card. So those we will mention that later. So if you click the folder, you get this HTML, the online version for this user guide. So those are the same one. But I prefer to use this PDF. Then we can go to more easier to do this document and reference offline. And then here in the left is we already finished this. You can unclick this show readme, and let's finish and run GNU Octave. This is also my first running this Octave in this PC. So here is a welcome screen. You seem to be using the Octave for the first time on this computer. Click Next to create a configuration file. So the configuration file will stored in your user profile folder. So roaming Octave hyphen GUI.ini. So leave that. And then here is community news. Occasionally check with this website for current news. You may also view news from here. So these are the community view. So it's here. So let me see. So we have the community. So if you go to, I think it's on the support user community. Let's see what this link come to. So this is the support report new. We don't have this directly, so let's come to here. So let's try this. Yeah, so here is the news page, and they gave you some release newsletter. Then from here we can get these release notes. What I think here is the 830 and the improve fix, build system, and the documentation, written document for help. So those are some change. So allow Octave to connect to web when it starts to display current news. Okay, let's check on that. And then enjoy. We hope you do this. Visit here, get the documentation. This is what I mentioned to you. So if I click here, it's coming to this document I already opened. That's good. And let's open the documentation browser. It's same, so it's finished. So with all those, we are coming to this GUI. So I will pin this to task, and let's just have a try. So you have this backend is the terminal. So here is if you want to quit Octave type quit or exist. Let's not do that now. And I think it's, we have that PWD is to show your current working directory, and also you can list. This one is my current user. This my profile. So let me switch. Whether they can, yeah, let me see. So now it's switched to my D drive. So CD, GitHub. Yeah, so here is the history of the command. CD learn Octave. So this is my local the cloned repository link. And then that is the way you can come to the running. So let's just do our simple example. So before we close this first video, and we will try these simple examples one by one in the next video. So first we just do this EXP for I pi equal to -1. So what we will do is here you will, let's try this. So you can see here we directly got the answer is -1 with E, and this one is 0 plus this another file is 1.2246 minus E. Export is minus 16i. So it's our complex number. So that is the way we can get this. Actually, this the Euler identity. is through this Euler function of the formula. So we have those things. So if you come to here, congratulations, you are also successfully installed the Octave, and you can also go some way to familiar with those UIs. And from next video, we go to some sample. Then we will have more experience on the Octave. Thank you for your watching. And once we have some script, I will starting to put into the GitHub to tracking our code for reuse. So see you in the next video. If you have any questions, I would be love to hear from you, and I try my best to answer as soon as possible. See you then.